Hello, lovies! So, Saturday is the new pamper day diri sa Elixir Aesthetic Center sa Argao. So, karon daghan na po gitag services na enjoy, which includes the Korean glass skin facial treatment na nag-cost og 1,499 pesos. Let's start off with the cleansing of our face. Ni after ana kay steam para muhumok ang atong mga pores ug sayo na ibton ang mga nanubo diha sa atong mga dagway. So, while nag-facial ta, we are also enjoying the celestial drip. Price will be included in the description area because the price is not included in the price chart sa front sa ilahang clinic. So, mao na ang process na giagian for the celestial push. It includes the collagen, anti-acne, and also immunity booster. Mao na silang tulo present. Collagen, immunity booster, and vitamin C. Mao na silang tulo, guys. So, mao na ang process. While nag-facial, gi-insert pod ang celestial push. So, after sa pag-prick sa atong nose ug sa part sa face, kay gi-suction dayon ang atong mga impurities and then nagbutang dayon og serum para sa galvanic process. That's for the closing of the pores na since after sa steaming, ang steaming man gud makapa-open og pores. Ang galvanic mo'y mag-close sa pores. Then this part here is wherein makahelp siya remove sa eye bags. Then next part is the cold hammer. Same thing. This can help in closing the pores and also toning the face. This is included again in the Korean glass skin facial treatment na 1,499 pesos. That one is the high frequency, that's antibacterial para daw dili na mo daghan ang inyong mga bugas-bugas. And then after that, we were also given the whitening face mask. This is not included in the Korean glass skin facial treatment pero librihan ta nila, ma'am. Thank you so much. So whitening face mask siya. And then after that, we also tried the UV light. Daghan na siya colors. I think there are 3 colors wherein daghan po siya og benefits. Kaso wala dyan ako siya ma-sink in ang tanan benefits, guys. So next ana is a mesolipolysis for the face and the double chin, which cost per session is 899 pesos. Pero once again, since we're enjoying the VIP treatment or the elite VIP package for the whole year, appeal na siya, guys. So again, 899 pesos. Naana mo'y face and double chin na mesolipolysis. After sa face, gitusukan pud ang atong arms, which cost 1,099 for the arms. Of course, both sides, 3 shots per arm. And kana, again, 1,099 pesos na siya. And then afterwards, ang atong tummy mesolipolysis costs 1,799 pesos. So 3 shots to the left and 3 shots to the right na siya. So 1,799 pesos, ma-enjoy na nimo ang slimming services nila sa Elixir Aesthetic Center. After the mesolipolysis, after the injection process, muagi sad ta og cavitation and radio frequency. Ang sa tummy is 1,499 pesos ang RF and cavitation. Ang sa arms is 799 pesos. As for the face or double chin na RF and cavitation, wala siya na mention sa ilang price chart. So if you have any inquiries, please feel free to ask them through their page in Facebook. The Elixir Aesthetic Center Argao. Mo na ilahang Facebook page. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you want to experience these services, please visit them in Poblacion near Duexam sa Taytayan sa Argao. Diha na iskina, guys, musudra mo ana na sa left side ang Elixir. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and see you next time. Bye, guys!